What's up, guys? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy JP, the install guy, here to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2004 Lexus RX330, and I'm going to show you how to replace this front speaker. And the techniques that I show you with the front speaker can go for the rears as well. If this is your first time here and you're into this type of thing, please consider subscribing or following, because that's what we do here. Anything car audio or install related, that's what this channel is about. First thing you want to do is come up here to the small little triangle piece, get something behind there, and just pop that part off. Next, right below the little triangle piece that we just took off, we have this small little clip that we want to go ahead and take out next. And that's this one right here. This one doesn't actually look like it belongs in this one. It might be a push pin style clip where there's actually a little small hole in the middle. You need to slightly push that in order to release the back part and then pull it out, just in case that's what your vehicle has. Next thing you want to do is come right here behind that door handle and pop that little cover off, and we're going to reveal one Phillips head screw right here. There actually isn't any clips. These little tabs on the back have small little ridges that just kind of snap itself in place. And next you want to come down here to the pocket and remove this little piece of carpet that's down here to reveal one more Phillips head screw. Now you don't have to take this part off right now because there's no screw behind here, but it will make it easier not having to worry about undoing these harnesses when you actually have the door panel off. So we're gonna take that out and remove that as well. Next, let's take out these screws. This will usually be the part where I say take your panel removal tool and start popping off some of them clips, but this thing has this small little ridge right here and it already has some give, and that's just on this door panel. So I believe, yeah, just like I thought, I can use my hand pressure and these clips, but this thing was ready to come off anyway. And then we just want to grab a hold here and lift up on the door panel. As we lift up on the door panel, first we come to find that there's one more harness right here that needs to come out. Then you have the lock lever, comes out like that, and the actual handle comes out like that. And don't forget, there's one more harness down here at the bottom for the little courtesy light in the door. I'm just kind of feeling for it, but you do want to press, see that? Press that down and pull out. Oh, and we got one more harness right here. And there we have a 6x9 that is desperately in need of changing. The parts that we're going to use to put in an aftermarket speaker is going to be this Toyota / Lexus 6x9 speaker bracket, and we're also going to utilize the 7.2/8104 speaker harness. This is going to make this extremely easy. Now you can do this two ways. You can go ahead and install this now while it's on the door, or you can install the speaker first and then just bolt the speaker on. I'm gonna go ahead and do this on the test bench because it just makes it easier for me. So here we have the Pioneer speaker, just mounted 4 screws in to get that held down. And the only thing I did different was add a little tester tape to this speaker wire. You can leave it bare if you want to, I just like that because it just cleans it up a little bit. But these speaker harnesses make this so much more easier. The positive is already have the wider speaker terminal on it. Negative has a smaller one on it. It's also labeled white and black, white for positive, black for negative. We're gonna bolt this up and we're going to install that speaker harness and we're gonna be done. And there you have it. If you guys find any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. At this time, I'd like to thank anybody who chooses to support the channel, whether you guys get the parts that you're doing your install from them links that I have down there in the description. You get one of the fan subscriptions from the website or the Patreon, or at the bottom of this video, you hit that super thanks to give me a little tip. All that goes a long way with me, and I greatly appreciate it. Next time, this your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.